I'm sure I'm about to reveal the favorite one of everyone, which is on blacks with browns and orange hues, and that is Savika. Savika is this pretty one which gives a very, very formal print look. Yet, अगर आपने इसको casually stitch कराओ, so it can look just as casual as you want. Okay, so this is this beautifully embroidered complete front of the shirt. You can see there's not a lot you need to do on this. This is already in beautiful oranges, pretty off-white lines, and of course, black base. This is all chicken themed one with a very nice modern touch to it. Okay, now let me open this up for you, and this is the back. This is the sleeves. Okay, sorry, let me open this. ये देखो, इसका नाम है. This is the sleeves, like this, right? This is very nicely done too. Very formal kind of sleeves, right? And this. ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये आपके घेरे की फिनिशिंग्स के लिए है, फ्रंट एंड बैक. Okay, and this is this organza panels. ये दो panels हैं आपके organza के, like this. ये आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ शर्ट की साइड पे ही आप करके इसे एप्लीक करा सकते हैं. This is very pretty. So many elements to an outfit. It's just totally so worth it. You just have to simply go to the tailor, give your outfit, and it's all ready for you, right? ये है जी इसके sleeves का. You can clearly see this design here. So just get it attached to the sleeves. These are the two sizes of pearls for the finishings of the outfit. ये आप देख सकते हैं, ऊपर गले पे भी आप use कर सकते हैं. If you see closely, or on the sleeves or anywhere else. Of course, there are two sizes of it, so you have ample enough pearls, right? And this is the black crochet lace for the ghera finishings. I don't know if it's clear enough for you here in the picture, but right below that organza one I just showed you. Beneath, sorry, not below. And here it goes. ये आप देख सकते हैं, back है हमारी. ये back का पूरा गला बना हुआ है in the same pretty theme. Black is always the most elegant one. The color, the design, black is always a favorite one of mine. और ये है जी इसका बहुत ही खूबसूरत सिल्क का दुपट्टा. Check this out. Oh, and one beautiful element of it. Check this out. I love this customization of the dupatta. Check out. ये है जी आपका बहुत ही खूबसूरत सिल्क का दुपट्टा, which is giving it a very rich look in golds and oranges and of course the black. And the trouser. Savika is for sure the top one for me.